Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, I am Hamza Rahman, an English instructor for level 3 from the Vision School, Mepohas. As you know very well about the pandemic that we are not going to conduct our physical classes, that's why we are going to conduct our online classes and online lectures again. As we have distributed all the syllabus for final term and for online classes too, so the next topic of online classes is in the syllabus, the restaurant. Yes, we have discussed this topic in our previous term, but as I have told you in the class that we are going to concise all the topics in final term so that we could practice them easily. So that's why we are going to discuss about the topic, the restaurant again. So I will just tell you how to read and what are the benefits of reading, because as I often say that skills are very important, guys. Reading skills, writing skills, these are the skills. So these skills are very important. If you are a good reader, if you can read easily the passage, so you can solve all the problems, all the questions, what kind of activity you are having in the topic, so you can solve it easily if you are a good reader. So how we can improve our reading skills? Let's talk about the topic. So guys, here is the topic, the restaurant, which we are going to discuss today. First of all, let me tell you one thing, that how to improve our reading skills, because we are having this topic just to improve our reading skills. So how we can improve our reading skills? Just by the reading. Just by the reading. How by the reading? Just read the passage again and again. And there are some specific ways to read. So just follow these ways. Like the multiple ways you have seen in the class, that some of the students are used to read like blah 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 just frequently, but this is not the right way. So I will just read the passage, then you will be able to know how to read. Then you have to practice as I am reading the passage. After practicing of topic, I will give you the question answer at the end, because when you will be reading again and again, definitely you will be able to know that what the topic is saying. Then for assessment, I will give you the questions for homework. Then you have to solve these questions by yourself. You don't have to take anyone's help, okay? And then when you will come in the online class, then I will ask you for the moral, for the like what you have got from the topic. I will ask the rapid fire questions from the topic. Clear, guys? So I'm going to read the topic, the restaurant. Amna lived with her parents in a small apartment building on a busy street close to the center of the town. Now, Amna is a main character in a story. And how did I read? Amna lived with her parents in a small apartment building on a busy street close to the center of the town. Now here is a full stop, so you have to stop over here. Next. Her mother and father worked hard at their jobs, and Amna worked hard at school. Now again, full stop, then again you have to stop. During the weekend, Amna's parents had a lot to do. On Saturdays, one of them took Amna to the library and then to her gymnastic class, while the other spent shopping for food. Then they would do the household chores, speak to relatives on the telephone, and spend a long time preparing food. Amna's mother liked to make lots of curry and divide it up into portions so that she could heat up the food quickly every night after work. Her father liked food, but he could only cook one recipe, Dad's special vegetable surprise. He made it for Sunday lunch every week. While they cooked, Amna liked to read. So guys, this is the paragraph I have read in front of you. Just I was telling you how to read the topic, how to read the passage. This is the way to read the passage. Like some of the students are used to read like Amna lived with her parents in a small apartment building on a busy street close to the center to the town. Her mother. This is not the way, guys. This is not the way to read. Just read it slowly. Amna lived with her parents in a small apartment building, so that whenever you are reading, you could get the topic and the listeners can get the topic. If you will be reading like this, so neither you could get nor anyone else. So the purpose of reading passage is to improve our reading skills and to solve. Why do we solve the questions? To know that if we have got the lesson or not. This is the reason. So now you have to read this topic completely, and it is very interesting story. I'm telling you that you will be enjoying while reading it, inshallah. So just read it completely and then solve the questions. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the questions of this topic, and let me remind you once that when you will come in the online class, so I will ask you the question from the topic, whatever I can ask from the topic. So be careful about it and read the passage carefully. Okay guys, now let me tell you the homework what you have to do, but let me repeat myself that you have to do your work by own. So here is the homework guys, and you have to do it in your copy in final term portion. Yes, some of the students have done this topic in first term portion, but leave it. Just you have to write it again in final term portion, and you have to solve all the questions by yourself. And there are some words, 5 words are there. You have to find out the meaning from lesson, and you have to write it in the notebook. Clear? And the questions are here, like 2 questions are written over here. Where does Amna live? Question number 2, what does Amna do over the weekend? 2 questions are written over here, but 2 more questions are there in your syllabus which you have been received from the school. So these 4 questions and 5 words to know you have to do by your own in your copy. So I hope you have understood that what you have to do. If you have any question, any confusion, so please let me know. Then inshallah we'll discuss this topic and we'll ask about this topic in online session, in live class. Till that, Allah Hafiz Nasir. Thank you.